Want to turn your text into stunning videos without hiring a team or spending a dime? In this video, I'll show you the best free AI video generators of 2025 tested, ranked, and compared. I've reviewed their quality, ease of use, customization, export options, and limits so you don't have to. Let's dive in. At number 5, we have Lumen 5, a drag-and-drop AI video creator, perfect for social media content. Just paste your blog, script, or URL, and it turns it into a short, stylized video. What I like: clean UI, great stock media library, and it's excellent for LinkedIn and Instagram, but the free version limits exports to 720p, with a Lumen 5 watermark, and voiceover support is minimal. Still, for beginners in content marketing, it's a solid pick. Next up, Pictory, and it shines if you want to turn long-form content into short, shareable videos. Upload a Zoom recording blog or script. Pictory chops it up and adds scenes, subtitles, and visuals automatically. What works well? Subtitle automation, text-to-video script generation, and easy editing with captions. The free version gives you 3 video exports up to 10 minutes each, but then you'll hit the limit fast. Perfect for educators, YouTubers, or podcast hosts. In third place, HeyGen, formerly Movio. It's ideal for creating AI avatar videos where a digital presenter speaks your script. Why it's great? Professional avatars, dozens of voices, and multi-language support. The free plan offers 1-minute video credits, so it's short but perfect for intros, pitches, or explainer clips. The quality is so good most people won't realize it's AI. At number 2, Veed.io, not purely AI generated, but it blends AI tools with full video editing. It offers auto subtitles, AI script generation, AI text-to-speech, and auto-clean audio. You can start with a blank canvas or import media. The free version includes watermarking and storage is limited, but it's a fantastic hybrid of manual and AI power. Taking the top spot is Canva's AI-powered video tools. In 2025, Canva added AI script writing, animation, voiceovers, and editing, all free for basic use. Start with a prompt. Get a scene-by-scene layout and auto-generate voiceover and visuals. It's great for YouTube, Instagram, Reels, anything. Yes, it's not as avatar-heavy as HeyGen, but it's powerful, fast, and watermark-free if you export in standard quality. Here's the final ranking based on real-world testing. Canva Best all-in-one creation, free export with no watermark, subtitles, and AI voice included. Veed.io, best for editing, plus AI extras. Free export with watermark, subtitles, and AI voice included. HeyGen, best for talking avatars, 1-minute video limit avatars, subtitles, and AI voice all supported. Pictory, best for converting long to short-form video, 3 free videos, subtitles, and AI voice supported. Lumen 5, best for social content, free at 720p with watermark, subtitles included, but no AI voice. These were the top 5 free AI video creators tested and ranked for 2025. Which one are you trying first? Drop your favorite tool in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to AI and I for weekly AI reviews, tools, and tutorials. See you in the next one.